Because there's still a question that I asked earlier na hindi pa sinasagot. Bringing back the two Kims, Kim Fajardo and Kim D. So, tatanungin ko na and kailangan may sagot. This is the question everyone is asking. Kim, are you playing for LaSalle again next year?
Of course I'm playing.
Hindi ka, yung isa. Eh, problema, dalawa kayong Kim eh. Kaya anak eh. Si Kimi, Ate Kimi, may Ate Kimi na ako. Kim Fajardo, the heart and soul, the super setter, the parang super computer when you set. Ang galing, napakagaling. So are you going to do that again for the Lady Spikers next year?
Hindi pa po ako sure, pero...
Bakit hindi ka pa sure? Hindi ka ba nag-enjoy this year?
Pero syempre, kinukonsider ko kasi ayaw ko na naman sila iwan. Tsaka sobrang love ko yung mga yan.
Oy, nagbigay na lang na hindi umalis. Gusto niya pang...
Konting pilit sa yan.
Ha?
Konting pilit.
Konting pilit. Pakipot. Baka pakipot lang.
Pagkalan muna natin yung
Ano ba gusto yung hashtag?
hashtag CAF one more year.
Yun, meron na.
Pero may kanta siya eh. May kanta siya.
May kanta. Sige, go.
Oh my God.
Do it. Ito na, this is your chance. You want her back, you have to sing.
Nakakahiya.
No, you have to do it.
Sabi mo.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Sa phone niya. Okay.
Ano sa phone mo?
Nasa
Ayan,
phone ko yung
pati
lyrics.
mo
Wait
pala.
lang.
Ayusin mo.
Ayusin mo.
Grabe, Kimi, ha? Para sa'yo, ha? Gagawin
Para
to ni
sa'yo
Kia.
yung
Para sa'yo
mga
to.
song ha.
Ano kailangan na sa tone?
Okay. Actually, this goes to the tune of Tatlong Bibi.
Okay,
You know
sige.
the song?
Go for it. No, I don't. Sige lang. Fight lang.
Okay. Oh my God.
Sige lang. Go.
May isang bossing na napakagaling, setter, spiker, nag-drop ball. Nung nag-champion, nag-isip na siya. Siya ang captain na nagsabi ng bye-bye. Bye-bye. Siya ang nag-lead. Siya ang leader. Siya ang leader na nagsabi ng bye-bye. Tayo na sa 8th floor mag-jogging. Sabi ni Captain, sabi daw nito, sprinting, dynamics lang pala. Inisip tuloy ni Cap, kung itutuloy nga pa. Tutuloy daw. Tutuloy daw. Tutuloy, sabi ni Kiana.
Wow.
What a song!
Wow, galing. Hindi ka mo magsistay after kumanta ni Kia.
After we sing.
She just sang on CNN Philippines.
Yeah. Come on.
Parang ba ng ukulele?
Ay, pala pinadala natin yung kilele mo. No, but look, Kimmy. The whole world wants you to stay. I cannot imagine anyone saying, huwag ka na, sige na, huwag ka na maglaro sa UAP. Everyone, the UAP, kahit yung mga fans from other schools, I think they want to see you stay. Pressure. Pressure. When will you decide? Kailan ang press con? Bitayin mo naman kami. Bitayin mo naman kami pag may press con. May timetable ka ba? Meron ka bang deadline? Personal deadline ka ba? O...
Meron pero secret ko lang.
Ano, bukas? Mamaya, mga 7:30. Anyway, but when you do decide, just make sure, let us know para andun kami sa press conference mo. Okay, sige. I have some photos from Game 3 and I wanted the two of you to look at the photos and then parang i-share nyo sa amin what was going on in your head, in your heart, emotionally, sa mga panahon na to. Okay, let's this one.
Sige, ulan tayo.
Okay.
Outside?
Outside, sabi ni Joy, kumare inside.
This one.
Oh my gosh, my face.
Di ba, Kimi, hindi mo miss yun? Show that photo again. Show that photo.
Huwag na.
Come on, Kimi. Sabihin mo sa akin, hindi mo miss yun. Hindi, pakita natin. Sabihin mo sa akin, hindi mo miss yan.
Ate, ganyan mo miss yung bonding natin na ganyan.
Oo.
Hindi naman ako yung mo dyan.
Next photo. Oh.
Oh.
Wow. Ganyan, no?
Nice hang time, Sid Demasilio. Ay, 18 yan. 8 ay.
Grabe, alam mo, bilib ako sa samahan niyo ha. Talagang kilala niyo isa't isa. Sobrang kabisado niyo. Yan. Yan sinasabi ko kay Sid kanina, yung intensity niya, through the roof, di ba? Grabe.
Tapos pag-bunso
And she
mo yung
does
wonder
this
na
dance.
Oo.
She
No,
does
and really, kung sa'yo, seryoso, sinong may pakala ng mga sayaw-sayaw?
Bakit siya naman?
Oh, ikaw yung may mga gumagano'n-ganon ka pa eh.
Na, pinakatawa na ako, papasayaw mo pa ako.
Why was that important? Why was that important na mukha kayong sobrang saya ng game 3?
Yun nga sabi ko, mapapahiga na lang ako, basta masaya yung team.
And this is, I guess, this is the moment of victory.
My face again.
Happiness yan, kaya.
Yan yung na-realize ko. Ay,
Yan ang face of a champion. Asan yung trophy na? Where is it? Asan yung trophy?
Nasa office ko.
Nasa Lasal. Wow, okay. Alright. Well, we only have 30 seconds left since ang dami nyo ng guesting. Nauna kayo mag-thank you. Marami na chance mag-thank you. Just say a generic thank you to all your supporters.
Nice. Kaya ko ba?
To all our fans, to all our coaches, to all our managers, to all our supporters, thank you so much for being with us from the beginning till the end. And for our fans, we have a special day for you on May 27. Where?
Kung saan sila pumunta?
What time?
10 to what?
See you there!
Alin, 10
Open
to
for all.
1.
10.
Alin, PM, AM?
10 a.m. to 1 a.m.
Balik ko pa.
10 a.m. to 1
Sa
p.m.
Tafte, ha?
Yeah.
Sa Lasal, Tam. Alright, congratulations, guys. And this was a fun interview. And I have a feeling we might do this again next year. Kasama ka. Feeling ko lang. God feel lang. Galing yung kanta mo, ha? Good job. Alright, congratulations. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Catch you later at 10 for more sports stories. I need to